Hey there, Leo here. And if you are here looking for information on how to advertise on Instagram, then perhaps I can help. If you don't know me, my name is Leo, and I have a company here in the Bay Area. It's called digitaltrack.co, and I live here in Northern California, right in the Solano County area, and I basically work with small local businesses um, in in the Solano and Contra Costa County area. I also can help, San Francisco Bay Area, Sacramento area. Those are the areas that I focus the most. And what I've been doing with them is basically helping with services on creating new websites for them, landing pages, advertising on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, etc. And going back to so if you need help, then let me know. Okay, my number is 707-410-0307. My email is info@digitaltrack.co. If you go to my website, digitaltrack.co, you'll see a section where you can schedule a call if you prefer to do that. Going back to advertising on Instagram. So Instagram, it's owned by Facebook. It was purchased some years ago for so many millions of dollars because Facebook saw the potential on Instagram. And so the full features of where you do the ads on Instagram is actually located on Facebook. It's actually done from Facebook ads platform. Okay. If you are new to Instagram, you can check out some of my videos of training that I done on Instagram. But basically, it's a picture based platform. Okay, people go there scrolling through the timeline to see their connections, the pictures of their friends and family, are videos as well. You can watch videos up to 60, up to a minute. Okay, there's also stories. If you go to your timeline, you're gonna notice on the very top there are little circles of their connection stories, where basically it's people can put pictures of the daily activities. They last up to 24 hours. Videos as well. They can put short videos up to 15 seconds. And that's basically how the platform works. It's very simple. Okay, you don't have all the other stuff like you do on Facebook. You can see that on Facebook, for example, you can see your timeline. You can go see the events. You can go see business pages, groups. There's a lot of distractions. So um, uh, that's why there's a lot of preference on Instagram because of the focus that it has on your advertising. If you will do a really good job of calling the attention of people, Instagram is the third most popular platform right now in 2018, right? Versus Facebook, then YouTube, then Instagram. So there's a lot of attention there. I don't think this is just attention of the kids, but you have kids in there, teenagers, young adults, and even grown-ups, right, and grandma and grandpa. Maybe not so much, but you do have buying purchases. There are people that have money going in there, so don't be scared to use it. um, what else can I tell you about advertising on Instagram? So you can do advertising on Instagram from you can start an ad from the Instagram app on your phone. However, as I mentioned before, it's preferable that to do it from the ads manager on Facebook just because you have full access to all of the features in reference to the ads platform. Okay, um, that's what I want to keep it right now. But if you do have more questions, again, I have a lot of videos on advertising online. You can definitely schedule a call or call me or text me. We can definitely, if you want to learn more about how local businesses here in the Solano County area are using right Instagram advertising and combining with advertising on other platforms to generate online presence or generate more customers to increase their sales, then we can definitely talk. You can definitely put depending when you're watching this, right? You may be able to see information below or above to get to the my website, so you can scroll. You can schedule a call. You can just go directly www.digitaltrack.co and go to the schedule a call section to talk more. My number is 707-410-0307. Have a good one. Bye.